And as we do our 2-minute videos now, we've done our 9-minute ones. Now it's time for the 2 minutes, as I delicately replace the Now I've got to get the other side of the lagoon on here. For in the future this will be regenerated, this part of the walkway, in the future after I do morning sunrise. In 1 year's time this will be a haven of activity. There's the creek, the dried up creek. The creek is dried up. The Dagobah Creek. And there is the sunrise in the morning. Here, I'll get a picture of the creek with the... So we will come back here in 1 year's time and do the exact same video. And we will witness the difference of the morning sun with this weed infested section. There's the river walk down there. Oh yeah, 2-minute videos. How long have we gone for? And the fence line here with the sun. It's the part of the regenerated area where we go in the dark because the sunlight isn't getting to us yet. Here you go, we're going to catch the sun there. There's the sun on the side of my face. Now we will get the position of the pond, the north pond. Now I'm walking in wet grass here, so my shoes will be soaking wet. Hey, is this going to be another 7-minute video? Now where's a good position to see the pond? And there's the pond. Oh wait, got to get that 4 degrees. There's the pond. And we just did a 4-minute video. This is the best part of the bird watching. Get lots of photos here. They're planning to do more bird watching areas, so people get some photos here, so they're not hiding in the tree. One break of a tree branch and the birds go quack, 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 quack. Okay, yes, 5 minutes will do. There we go, 5 minutes.